Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the latest Apple AirPods Max and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair them with your iPhone or iPad. It works the same on both iPhone and iPad, so don't worry. At first we have to open our case of our headphones and we have to remove our headphones from the case. As you can see, these are our AirPods. And now we just have to wait a moment until our iPhone detects our headphones. As you can see, here it is. AirPods Max. We have to tap connect. Here, as you can see, now we have some tutorial. Use Siri, customization of notifications. We can close it. And now we are paired. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.